Disney Speedstorm is available now on mobile and PC with Google Play Games.
This is fire.
Got that thing on me, got that lean on me, got that Zan on me, self-esteem with me, got a bad bitch, tryna lead with me, tryna feed with me, tryna eat with me. Oh, I dress that bitch, yeah, I love that guy, yeah, I dress that bitch, love to shop a lot, yeah, my shopping cart, for a lot of shit, money bad bitch, need no money cat, on some skate shit, on the kick, oh my god, I'm a kick, on top, kick a big tweet, oh my god, who that with that girl, yeah, that boy on top, yeah, she love the top, yeah, she love the clock, yeah, she love the pop, yeah, I love the pop, let that thing pop, we gon' need some money, we gon' need my jelly, make sure ain't no money, make sure I got money, money I be stealing, got me looking we be hitting in the what, I be at sex, bitches ain't no bullets, I be at sex, bitches ain't no lace, fucking on you, baby, I'm a great baby, hey, what, 21, hey, sitting on 2 million, hey, yeah, I got a deal, hey, why sign out a deal, hey, get my partner deal, hey, if I go to jail, hey, money for the bail, hey, money on the scale, hey, yeah, give me a minute, hey, yeah, give me a minute, hey, call it Lee, come on, hey, bring that lean with him, hey, call it Lee, I call him, yeah, you bring the cream with him, hey, give me a minute, hey, yeah, my nigga again, hey, what, check it out, wrist out, wide out.
skilled robot.
Another reason to be a good driver is saving money.
Yeah, the drive safe.
It's not gonna be that. Oh fuck! I did not really record that, did I? It doesn't really matter. Anyways, this problem isn't really that hard. So I guess to go over it again, just to kind of clarify. Okay, so for this problem here, hay bale stacking, the problem doesn't really is kind of like swipe line. If you ever done it before, it's a pretty straightforward algorithm. All you kind of just need to do is so for every I guess for every query, you simply just add and subtract, or not add and subtract, but basically you so we're given like A and B. So what we want to do is we could easily like simulate it by just putting like by just like adding a single haystack from A to B. So from if I could given like first is this right here, this line right here, if you can see, if Bessie is told 10 13, then she should add a hay bale to each of the stacks from 10 to 13. Yeah, that will take us well, since where is it at? A, B is from A. So since the what is it? I forget what's the constraints are from A and B is up to n. This would take us k times n time complexity, which we can't do since it's n is 1,026 and k is, I guess you could put it like I'll probably say 1e5, or like, yeah, just basically it's high and it's not possible to do so. So I get one thing we can do is actually I think the highest for this is up to n log n, since n log n wouldn't be, I think it will work given the constraints. Yeah, it's like a timer. Yeah, n log n will definitely work. So we kind of need to figure out not about the sorting, but okay, I forgot to mention that we need to find a median. It's just median. So I guess the only problem, or the only opposite, the insight we should kind of have is just simply just to find a way to kind of query this from, instead of n times k complexity, is just simply just k complexity. And the simplest way to kind of do this is just kind of just to sweep line. It's a pretty simple algorithm. So here, just let's this is the test case given from the one we just saw right here. This one's the sample case. But yeah, I'll just kind of go over what I just did basically. So I guess I'll rewrite again. But yeah, so let's assume this is the empty stack we're given from the problem. 4, 5, 6. So we're given 7 stacks here, right? So remember that we're given for k queries, we're given A and B for every single one of them. So what we can So my algorithm, well, I'm not the smartest person in the world, but my algorithm here is for every A to B, we add we can kind of prefix sum this, so we just simply just well, this is honestly just a guess. I don't know if it works or not because I'm new to this. So since the first query is 5 to 5, A equals 5, B equals 5, which is pretty much the same spot. We're gonna add 1 here, and then we're gonna subtract 1 here. I guess let me go to like maybe the second one. That makes sense because this one might be a little tricky. So given so we have 2 to 4 here. So A equals 2, right? 2 we're gonna add 1 here. 1 is meaning a hail bale sack, by the way. And we're gonna minus 1 here. And I think let me just write everything, and maybe if I kind of draw it out, it will make more sense. So again, A equals 4, and then A equals 4, B equals 6. So plus 1 here, minus 1 here, and then and the last one is 3 to 5. Last one is 3 to 5. So 3 to 5 here. So we're gonna add plus 1 here, and then minus 1 here. Okay. So this will make complete sense once I draw it out. So remember that. Oops. It's kind of hard to talk while solving problems, but life will be life. Anyways, so what we're gonna do now is kind of like accumulate the sum. So since there's nothing here, we're not gonna add a hail bale stack here. So here, since there's a 1 here, we're gonna add 1 hail bale stack here. And we're gonna carry this 1 to the second one. Because since there's no minus here, we don't need to subtract anything. So there's a plus 1 here. So plus 1 here, we're going to add another hail bale stack. So now we're gonna reach 4. So there's a plus 1 here. So it's now 3 now. But now there's a subtract 1. So here we need to have 2. Because one is already subtracted from here. But here there's a plus 1 here. And okay. And now since there's 3, we subtract 2. So in the 6 we're going to be carrying only 1. There's no plus here, so there's no plus here, so we don't add another one. But there's a minus here. That means when we go to 7, there's nothing here. Notice that for one is a minus, we don't really subtract anything from here, but we only carry from the next one. That's simply just because in order to only kind of be inclusive from A to B. Sorry, water break. In order to like capture A to B, we need to just subtract it only outside of B. Sorry, only outside of B. So basically, we're just simply just I guess it's like the only way I can understand is only to visualize it. Like we only have to consider A to B, and then what happens after B is simply not significant. But yeah, this is the algorithm I have, and I guess implementing will not be the hardest. I don't think so. Yeah, let me do that. I'm not the best typer. Sorry. I guess. Oops, I forgot to read it. Oh wait, no. Why am I reading shit? No, I forgot. There's no query. I guess what we can do is simply just since we yeah. Or A, B. Remember that we want to just add, subtract, right? pref I, so A plus plus, and then pref B minus minus, and then we sweep line basically. Well, let's store the answer, I guess. Or no, it's gonna be in the middle, so it doesn't really matter. So basically, let's I guess auto X and then pref. Simply, this is like a faster way to do it, I suppose. I guess to simulate this now or to sweep line this, actually, I didn't think this through, but it's pretty simple. It's just like I'm talking while solving it. So it's harder this way for me, because I'm probably gonna make a mistake. Maybe not. I should be smarter than this. This is not a hard problem. Well, it might be for me. So I guess int curve 0. So what we're gonna do is curve plus if curve plus pref I guess. Curve plus pref I, and then pref I equals cur now. I think so. And then now you cur subtract. Yeah, that is definitely not how it works. Okay, so again, I think the algorithm is the hard part. Maybe it's probably not, but I think, do I use a new array? I think maybe using a new array is better instead of using like preference I. So I think that's vi and. So I suppose doing vi and is probably better. And that's just and doesn't really matter. Okay, since I'm doing from 0 to n, I guess curve I plus 1. And then the curve, okay, so and equals curve. And then y is, oh, and I. And then now curve subtract. Huh, interesting. Is that no. Okay, so let's. So in this array here, for instance, it's gonna be 2, right? And then should I actually like maybe? Because it is a sweep line though. Because I think the only thing we kind of need to do is simply just add, right? Since it's like plus or minus. So for instance, when it reaches like 4, there's not gonna be anything, right? Wait, actually there is. So it's gonna be okay. So like, okay, sweeping like this is gonna be 2, 1 here. Now it's gonna be 2. Now it's gonna be 3. But okay, so if we were to add everything here on 5, 5 will give us -1. Right? Okay, let's just see how it works. Let's see. Let's try it. Because the best way to do this is to kind of just debug it. Let's see, and 1, 2, 2. Yeah, that's not true. Two. This should be 3. Yeah, this is definitely not true. Okay, I guess do we just like, how do we do this? Do we just put? They say we should do like prefix sums, but I think we could just do like a. What is it? I guess we can just like simply just do like a +1. So I guess like the way I'm thinking about doing this is simply just using So just basically 2 arrays. Pos and then n plus 1, then neg, then a positive a, and then here, you know, again, this is, again, remember, this is simply just, this would kind of just like now, because again, prefix is, I don't know, prefix is not one for me. Like, I'm not gonna force myself to use prefix just to solve a problem. It's nah. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is terrible now. Yeah, this is not true. Then why is the answer not? Okay, let's see what's going on here. I should be thinking first instead of talking, but what? But nothing. Let's observe what answer is now. I'm sure someone's gonna see this on a video and just say, "Oh my god, this guy's really stupid." I am. Wait. Should I be adding instead, or I guess. Well, this is completely true, by the way. It is going to be 2 here. Now here, it is 3. Okay, now it's giving us 4. It didn't subtract. Okay, I think that's the issue. It could, so I guess I don't know. Is it that I was subtracting a negative number? What? I guess. Oh wait, is it 1? Is it like 1 minus 1 plus 1? Okay, okay, this should. Where's my foot? I should debug now. This should work now. Yes, there you go. It works now. And now, for the finale, you kind of just sort this. I'm using macros, by the way. And we just get the middle number, which is simply just, and divide by 2. Oh, since it's odd, I guess, subtract by 1, I believe. So if it's 7, you want to get a 3, right? So, no, it's n minus 1. Right? So if it's like 6, we want to get the middle number is maybe 3. Now this should return 1. There you go. And so this solution, this should probably work. Oh, please log into some new solution. I don't think I have an account. Oh, I do actually. Okay. Shit. What the fuck is this? Oh, here it is. Compilation error. What's wrong? Oh, because I mean wrong language, I suppose. Okay. Oh, okay. It's actually. Okay, it's only. Oh shit, it's only up to 14. I still believe it will work. Okay, it works now. Alright, okay. I think this will be my only problem I'll do. Oh, accepted. Nice. Okay, well, shit, that works. Got it correct. Well, I think this will be my only problem I'll solve today. I'll solve another one very soon. Not today, though. But see you.